What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a quick look at Solana, which is actually an interesting position. Now Solana saw a huge rally during the previous weeks, all the way down from $180 to its all-time high at nearly $300, simply due to the fact that another coin launched on its blockchain. Now that coin was obviously the Trump coin, then followed by the Melania coin, which, if you are living under a rock, then Donald Trump is the new president of the United States, and he launched a meme coin during his or just pre his inauguration, I believe. So yeah, right after that he launched Melania coin, which is obviously his wife and the first lady. So that's caused a huge rally on Solana. You know, that meme coin became one of the biggest. Solana has since fallen, and we'll go into the reasons for that in just a second. But the reason for that spike wasn't just the fact that that coin launched on the Solana blockchain. If you know about meme coins and Solana meme coins in particular, you'll know that when a new coin launches, you can't buy it on any normal exchange. You have to use a DEX or a decentralized exchange, and on these decentralized exchanges, you know, if you're buying a Solana meme coin, you have to purchase it with Solana tokens. So what that means is you have to go on a normal exchange like Coinbase, Binance, Bybit, all of these exchanges, by the way, which I'll leave link down below in case you want to sign up. But yeah, you have to sign up to that, then purchase Solana on that, then you transfer it to a DEX, and then you can buy the meme coin. Now the beauty of that is that when everybody's purchasing Solana to then buy the meme coins, Solana's price is being pumped up so much, and it got pumped up so much, and people were buying Solana so much to the point where Binance had to halt withdrawals as they didn't have enough Solana stored up to actually sell to people. So that's just how insane it was. Now when that happened, people were then transferring the Solana into Trump coin, which doesn't count as a sale for Sol, which then doesn't dump Solana, and you can see how that sort of limits the supply. Eventually though, people are going to start selling. However, then, you know, Trump was already launched on major exchanges like Bybit, Binance, and so on and so forth, and then people could sell in USDT. But regardless, a lot of the top holders were still holding from on their decks, and they started selling back into Solana as they were going to buy other meme coins, and that then obviously caused the dump. So that's a quick history on Solana and why it rallied up to its all-time high. Now we actually had a very good trade on Solana, which was right before the meme coin craze. We entered right around here, and we actually took profits at $290, so just below the all-time high at like 294. An absolutely perfect trade. This actually secured over 1000% profit for us as we used 20x leverage. And if you want to be getting these trades sent to you every single day, all the trades that I'm entering, then check out the Discord down below. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It'll be the first link there. Make sure you check it out because the trades we're getting are absolutely insane. So yeah, we got 1000% profit. I know a lot of people did well on Trump coin. However, you don't always have to get the meme coin. You can sometimes look for alternative, you know, resolutions like we did with Solana, and we profited maybe even more than a lot of people that bought into the meme coin. You know, you had to really buy in early to actually get like a 10x return, and even more so, the fees when buying those altcoins are meme coins are absolutely absurd. You know, people are paying 1 to 2 Sol just to get a transaction through. So yeah, it's really pay to win, and sometimes just getting a long trade off before all that craze is much better. So that's what we did, and we profited very nicely. Now what will Solana be doing, you know, since then? Well, it's sort of just come back down. Everything's been priced in now, especially considering Bitcoin saw a huge dump. It's actually pumping up really nicely today. It's up at 103. The S&P is just consolidating. Obviously we had DeepSeek, which didn't help crypto at all. It's still recovering, still got a lot to recover from that DeepSeek crash, but overall everything is looking quite good. Specifically for Solana, we have this very strong support area right here. It was previously a resistance zone, now it's being used as a support. You know, potential targets for Solana, again, we can just target the previous all-time high. Look for something like this. Right now we have obviously bounced off and are trading slightly over, so we can't enter in right now, but overall it's looking really quite good. You know, on the weekly, to be specific, we have a few more targets. We can actually, we can't set the fib, but yeah, overall it's looking quite good. Let me just see how the fib is drawn on here. So if we actually draw on a new fib and go like this, you know, for Solana we could really be targeting $416 right here for the next all-time high, which is quite a lot, but it's very possible. It's like nearly a 2x away from right now, but I think it's still very doable. Personally, I'm targeting 320 next, next and like 410 next. One of my targets has been hit here at like 230, so it is looking quite good, but it all depends on how the meme coin craze carries on. You know, Solana is really based off of those meme coins, and if they continue doing really well and the hype is still behind them, then yeah, I think, you know, you'll see Solana perform really well in the long run. Not in the long run, in the shorter run. In the long run, obviously meme coins will phase out, and I think Solana will eventually have that phase out as well, and then it will have to sort of, you know, transition into something new for it to really market. But yeah, that's what we have as the outlook. Now Bitcoin dominance again plays a huge role in that and how altcoins move. Right now it's rallying, not really good for altcoins, even though they are bouncing slightly, but we need dominance to really start crashing down. You know, it's up quite a chunk today. Like yesterday was up a lot, today it's just consolidating, but ultimately we need this to crash down, reverse, and for alt season to occur it will take at least 6 weeks if we're able to start crashing from here. Until then we need to break this low, which again will take 6 to 7 weeks. So, you know, alt season is still quite far away. If we break through this high as well, then it will be even further away. Like it will take maybe 7, 8, 9 weeks from then. So yeah, still a long way away. Now if I go back to Solana over here, I wouldn't be looking for any short positions just yet. Some people might be looking at this and thinking it's like a double top on the weekly and so on and so forth, but I really don't think so. You know, I don't really like using those double tops, double bottom patterns scenarios, because the market is a lot different to how it was in 21 with these double tops. So yeah, I mean, we move in these phases where, you know, we have a leg up, then we have a consolidatory leg down, an accumulation phase builds up, pump through, then we obviously have distribution, back into a consolidation, accumulation, pump up, and so on. So that's usually how it goes. You know, maybe we now start using this level right here as a new accumulation. So that's what we're going to be waiting and watching, if we're really able to use the previous resistance as a new support. So yeah, that's what we have for Sol. The coins to keep a major eye out for, again, Bitcoin, you know, if it is able to close this week's candle above 102.875, then we will be looking quite bullish. Next target would be 114. Obviously, hopefully dominance is falling, because then alts would be mooning if Bitcoin does a 10% move up. ETH is another coin to watch out for. Really lagging behind Bitcoin quite a lot. So that shows us again that alt season is nowhere near happening yet. If you don't know much about crypto, then the way money flows in crypto is usually Bitcoin number one, then ETH, then altcoins, then meme coins, then major distribution occurs. So we've not really had that sort of flow yet. The way you can usually tell is you'll see Bitcoin have a huge move up, then it goes into a slow consolidatory uptrend, and then you'll see ETH seeing huge moves up, and it's usually called the ETH flippening, because ETH is pumping so much and Bitcoin is sort of slowing down a lot. It looks like ETH could actually flip Bitcoin in market cap. Never happens, never has happened yet, but that's just how it's called because of how much ETH usually pumps during that phase. Then after that, money flows from ETH into smaller cap altcoins, you know, your AVAXs, DOTs, Solanas, Fetch, Renders, XRPs, stuff like that. Then those start pumping up. No flipping on those, but yeah, that's usually how it flows. So again, those are the main two coins I'm going to be watching. Solana as well. Other smaller altcoins, XRP really performing well, surprised me a lot. HBAR, Sui, Fetch, other coins I'm also going to be keeping an eye out for. Now, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to be getting trades sent to you every single day, then check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency for the lowest fees with the best sign-up rewards, then check out the exchanges we're working with down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.